Sabbath children. The story which I am going to tell is found in the book of 2 Kings chapter 5. आज की हमारी जो कहानी है ये एक छोटी हिब्रू लड़की की कहानी है जो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, अपने माता पिता के साथ इज़राइल में रहती थी. And one day there was a war in her land. There was a war between Syria and Israel. जो दुश्मन थे वो ये छोटी सी लड़की को बंदी बनाकर जनरल नमान के घर ले गए. And there she became a helper to Naman's wife. वो नमान की पत्नी की सेविका बन गई. And this little maid, she used to serve her mistress very happily. And also she used to remember God of heaven whom she loved. Naaman, he was a rich and important man. He was a powerful man. He was a commander in the army of Syria. वो एक सेनापति था, but still he was very much sad. वो बहुत दुखी था. And he was sad because small white spots were growing on his body. As you can see in this picture, नमान की बॉडी पर छोटे छोटे white spots हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत ही परेशान और दुखी रहता था. And this little maid, she wanted to do something for her master. वो एक दिन नमान की पत्नी को प्रॉफिट इलाइशा के बारे में बताती है. She said, God does many wonderful things through prophet Elisha. And नमान की पत्नी नमान को जाकर प्रॉफिट इलाइशा के बारे में बताती है. नमान, he was willing to do anything to get rid of leprosy. वो कोढ़ से छुटकारा पाने के लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार था. The next day he took all his servants, chariots and horses and he started his journey towards Elisha's home. वो सारे servants, horses and chariots को लेकर इलाइशा के घर की तरफ रवाना हो जाता है. जब वो इलाइशा के घर पहुंचता है तो इलाइशा का सर्वेंट गिहाजी बाहर आता है और वो कहता है नमान से कि इलाइशा ने कहा है अगर आप जॉर्डन रिवर में जाकर 7 बार डुबकी लगाओगे तो आप ठीक हो जाओगे. He said that if you go and dip yourself into the river Jordan 7 times you will be healed. When Naaman he heard this, he got very angry, he got very upset. नमान ये सुनकर बहुत ही क्रोधित हुआ. He said, how can I dip myself into the muddy Jordan river? The servants of Naaman, they begged him to do so. आखिरकार नमान मान जाता है जॉर्डन रिवर में 7 बार डुबकी लगाने के लिए. First time when he dipped himself into the river Jordan, white spots were still there on his body. Leprosy was not cured. फिर वो second time डुबकी लगाता है, फिर वो third time डुबकी लगाता है, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. And when he dipped himself into the river Jordan the 7th time, he saw that there were no white spots on his body. Leprosy was cured. When Naaman saw that there were no white spots on his body, he was very happy. नमान की त्वचा एक छोटे बच्चे की त्वचा के समान कोमल हो गई. He was very much happy. In this story, we see the love of little Hebrew girl. Though she was separated from her parents and was made a slave in a strange land, but वो still नमान और उसकी पत्नी से बहुत प्यार करती थी. वो हमेशा उनके लिए अच्छा ही सोचती थी. Jesus taught us not only to love those who loves us, but also to love those who hate us. इस छोटी सी कहानी से हम ये सीखते हैं कि अगर हमारे साथ कोई बुरा करता है, हमें फिर भी उसके साथ अच्छा ही करना चाहिए. Thank you and God bless you all.